Aren't you able to use TikTok effects or filters on your iPhone? It could have happened due to app glitches or network issues. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok effects not working or filters not showing on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Now, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back home and force close the TikTok app from the recent tabs. Solution 2. Offload the TikTok app. First, open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issues, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. And this is the way to fix TikTok effects not working or filters not showing on your iPhone. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll be sure to see you in the next video.